Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you all are enjoying good health at home. As you already know that we have successfully completed first chapter of your biology 10th textbook. Now we are moving towards the next chapter number 11, Homeostasis, with the grace of Almighty Allah. Well, we will discuss some important short questions as well as MCQs in this chapter 2. The first definition on this page is homeostasis. Homeostasis may be defined as the maintenance of the internal conditions of body at equilibrium despite changes in the external environment. Another question, what is homeostasis? Give example. Then homeostasis की definition यहाँ से आएगी and then example. For example, the core temperature of human body remains at about 37 degrees C despite fluctuation in the surrounding air temperature. Example number 2. Similarly, blood glucose level remains about 1 gram per liter despite eating a meal rich in carbohydrates. MCQs on this page. The core temperature of human body remains at about 37 degrees C despite fluctuation in the surrounding air temperature. Define osmoregulation. It is the maintenance of the amounts of water and salts in the body fluids, that is blood and tissue fluids. Define thermoregulation, or what is thermoregulation? Give examples. The maintenance of internal body temperature is called thermoregulation. Example. The enzymes of body work best at particular temperatures. Optimum temperature. Any change in the body temperature may affect the functioning of enzymes. What is excretion? Excretion is also a process of homeostasis. In this process, the metabolic wastes are eliminated from the body to maintain the internal conditions at equilibrium. Now question arises over here. Name 3 basic processes of homeostasis occurring in human body. Number 1 is osmoregulation. Number 2 is thermoregulation. Number 3 is excretion. Moving towards the MCQs on this page. First MCQ arises from the definition of osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is the maintenance of amounts of water and salts in body fluids. Next MCQ, which can be selected as an important MCQ, the maintenance of internal body temperature is called thermoregulation. So these were the important MCQs and short questions which can be selected in examination. Define metabolic waste. Metabolic waste means any material that is produced during body metabolism and may harm the body. Now MCQ. Plants respond to the environmental changes and keep their internal conditions constant. So we have discussed a short question and an MCQ on this page. Removal of extra carbon dioxide and oxygen. The short question in this paragraph is how removal of carbon dioxide occurs in plants. Answer starts from here. In daytime, the carbon dioxide produced during cellular respiration is utilized in photosynthesis and hence it is not a waste product. At night, it is surplus because there is no utilization of carbon dioxide. It is removed from the tissue by diffusion. In leaves and young stems, carbon dioxide escapes out through stomata. Next short question. How removal of oxygen occurs in plants? Oxygen is produced in mesophyll cells only during daytime as a byproduct of photosynthesis. After its utilization in cellular respiration, the leaf cells remove the extra amount of oxygen through stomata. So students, ये हमारे पास थे short questions. Now we will discuss some MCQs on this page. In daytime, carbon dioxide produced during cellular respiration is utilized in photosynthesis. At night, carbon dioxide is surplus because there is no utilization of carbon dioxide. It is removed from tissue cells by diffusion. In leaves and young stems, carbon dioxide escapes out through stomata. The last MCQ which can be selected on this page include: in young roots, carbon dioxide diffuses through the general root surface, especially through root hairs. Well, MCQs on this page include: the first one, plants store large amount of water in their cells for turgidity. Extra water is removed from plant body by transpiration. At night, transpiration usually doesn't occur because most plants have their stomata closed. So students, there is no any important short questions on this page. It only includes MCQs as I have indicated already. The page which you can see right now on your screen only contains a single definition, that is of guttation. Define guttation, or what is guttation? The appearance of drops of water on tips or edges of leaves is called guttation. This can also be asked in the form of MCQ. So here it is the brief definition of guttation.